welcome to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at this vintage 1994 Hoover Turbo Power 2 autosence. It's been fully refurbished, machine polished, and is in very nice condition. Apart from a few scratches and scuffs, it is alright. So it's had quite a few new parts fitted, including bag and filters and belt. Brush roll bearings are fine. See on the back here, we've also got a crevice tool now. Upholstery tools off the Hoover Vogue I have. I've just borrowed that. And there's also a different dusting brush on here, which I think is the same, except for the little nobule on this one. But you know, let's put this one on there like that. The cable is in alright nick. It's got a few slices and stuff in it where it's been run over before. You can see there that it's got loads of chunks out of it and stuff up there. It did have loads of tape on the cable when I got it, but it's generally alright now after a clean and stuff. And it's also got the original plug on there, which is quite good plug. Tools wise, we've got original hose. I'll get it out. I hate getting these Turbo 2 hoses out. They're a pain. Just left to kind of, it's kind of hard to get out. Got the hose, which is alright. It's cleaned up quite nice. It's got a bit of a weird kinky bit going on, kink bit going on there. I'm not sure why though. It's also got a few little tears and stuff in the hose, but it doesn't really affect it, because when I was cleaning it I did notice there's a few little holes in it, but it doesn't really harm it, if you know what I mean. But it's got the tube on there and the brush and the head, which is black, but I don't care, it still works. Ideal for the stairs and stuff, that one. I've got a crevice tool as well now, but it is the wrong grey, you can see, but it will do. Also, to unlock it, just twist the hose, that all comes out. Oh, and pull the upholstery tool off. That all comes out, there's all muck in there, kind of thing. And there's an autosence bit in there, which just turns the speed up really. That's it. And that goes on there. This one didn't have the longer crevice tool at all, really, because it's got no space for it, so it's got a little thing there, so you can't fit in. So, you know, didn't have that. Just turn it around to the front. Let's open it up. We've got the bag door, which is quite nice and clean, apart from a few little bits in there which are dusty. I hate cleaning stuff like that. We've got the bag itself, which is a fleece type bag meant for these, so we've got the fleece bag and it's quite full in the bottom. We've got the filter, the foam filter, which has got quite a bit of muck on it, probably where the bag wasn't seated properly or something before. And then we've got the little filter bit here, which is not very good really. It doesn't line up with anything, you just have to kind of squash it in like that. It's a bit dirt in there, just where it's kind of sat, if you know what I mean. It will need cleaning out after I use it for the month. So this is my this month's vacuum. There we go, just push that in there. So there we go, that goes in there. Not a very good fit really, but non-genuine spares, what can you do? The bag, I've ripped it there, it's probably where half the dirt's coming through, but it should be fine. There we go, that goes in there, like that. I just have to kind of stuff this bag in, because it's too big to fit in the bag compartment. That goes in there. Just recline the machine, and we'll take a look at the post filter. You can see it's a little bit black on this one, but it's still pretty clean in there. I mean, I can see the motor, it's nice and clean. The vent is fine, apart from a little crack somewhere there, it's cracked there, but you know, I won't be able to find another one of those, so it'll stay as it is. So let's just put this little filter back in. It is one of my new favourite uprights to use actually, this turbo power. Well, it's quite nice to use really. That's it, that goes in there. Let's turn it over. Underneath we've got the brush roll, which is very good, leaves lovely track marks on the floor. A little bit dusty, but it's being used, I suppose. Lots of dog hairs, it's just gone in my eye. So yeah, let's plug it in and we'll show you how it works. Is there any dirt in my athlete? Yeah, there is a little bit. Let's put this down and see if the autosence will work. There we go. Put that down. It's not much there. It's not like fine dirt stuff. But the autosence works. The only thing that doesn't work on it anymore is the bag full light, but they never work after you fiddle around with them, I find. So that's what happened with my last one. It never works anymore. So let's give this a try. So got the on-off button here and the autosence here. Go down. It works quite well, and it is quite a good vacuum. It's definitely picked quite a lot of crap up this month already. I mean, not half, but quite a bit of the bag is full already. So, you know, it is doing a good job. It picks up all the dog hair at least. Sometimes I normally have to use it on autosence because my dad hates noisy hoovers. But there we go. There was that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.